Hi everyone, we are going to start a new series on generative AI. So basically in this particular series, we will learn about Gen AI. Like we will start from very basic and in the upcoming videos, we will definitely going to build a complicated projects and a lot of difficult things into this particular series only. So some of the prerequisites are you should be known about Python programming language. You should know how to code into the Python and all, right? So before starting, firstly we will in the first video only we will learn about what is Streamlit in Python, right? Or the Streamlit with Python. So before that, what we are going to do is we are basically going to create a virtual environment for our Python project. So basically into that virtual environment we will import all the libraries which we want for our project to be run. So let's go into our directory and we'll create a virtual environment. So to create a virtual environment, I am using Conda here and Anaconda prompt. You can use various method to create a virtual environment, but it is preferable to use Anaconda prompt just to be with me. So to create a virtual environment, we will write a command conda create p, and here we will give the environment name. So we will give Streamlit py pract, let's say, and the version of Python we want is, let's say, 3.10, and accept all the permission and enter. So now our environment is going to create. So we have to wait for some time. It will take some time to create your virtual environment. Okay, so once your virtual environment is being created, after that what you have to do is you have to activate this particular environment. So to do that, Conda already gave us this particular command, so we have to write this conda activate. We'll just copy this command, we'll paste it here. Okay, so now our environment is activated. So now we will see Streamlit. So basically what is Streamlit? We can say that like it's an open source platform basically, which is basically used to create a machine learning or data science projects, and it allows you to create machine learning web applications. You don't even need to know about HTML, CSS, uh, all those stuffs, all the stuffs which are required for front end. And with the help of Streamlit components, you can build beautiful web pages. We'll see that how to build beautiful web pages with the help of Streamlit. So to start with, what we'll do is we'll create one file named as let's say app.py into this particular environment. Okay, so now after creating this, we need to import some of the libraries. Okay, so we will import Streamlit. We'll import Streamlit, sorry, as st. Then we'll import pandas, let's say, as pd. We'll import numpy as np. Numpy as np. So to use all these libraries, firstly we need to import this library, or we need to install this library into this particular virtual environment. So to do that, what we are going to do here is we will go inside this virtual environment, which is Streamlit pact. So cd Streamlit pact. Okay, so inside this we will pip install Streamlit. By installing Streamlit into your virtual environment, then only you will able to like use that particular library into your project. Also, we have to do the same with pandas and numpy as well. So we will do that in a minute. It will take some time to like fetch all the files which are coming from Streamlit. Okay, so in the same way, you also have to install these libraries as well. Pip install numpy and pip install pandas. Okay, now you will be able to use all these libraries into our project. So now now we will see how to use Streamlit in for to build our application, right? So firstly we will see the component which is used for application title, which what will be the title of our application. So to do that, we are going to do is application title. So to show the application title, we will do st dot title, simple st dot title, and here we will write our title, hello from Streamlit, let's say. Okay, so now to run this particular code, what we have to do is we just have to go into our anaconda prompt, and we need to write this command as streamlit run our file name app.py. Just by doing this, give the permission to this. Okay, so on this particular localhost port, you'll be able to see runtime error. Just a minute. Hello from Streamlit. Cool. So this is it. Without writing any HTML, we are getting our output, right? So now we will see the more components, like how to use different kind of components into the Streamlit. Now we will see how to display a simple text here. Display a simple text. So to display a simple text, what we have to do is we simply have to use the st.write. So by using st.write, we'll write here, this is a simple text, and if we go here and if we refresh, I think there is some issue. Just a minute. We will rerun this particular command, streamlit run app.py. Yeah, now this is a simple text. Now we will see another components for this. So let's say if we want to create a data frame, then how we can create that? How to create data frame. So let's say we have this data, df is equals to pd dot data frame, and this data here. So we are taking first column. The first column will be 1 2 3 4 5, let's say, and after this we're having second column, and for the second column we'll have the data 10 20 30 40 50. So now to display this particular data frame, what we are going to do is we will simply use the write function only, which is given by Streamlit. So just to show you here, st.write, here is the data frame, right? So we'll show our data frame here, st.write, and we will pass this variable here, df. So now you will be able to see the data frame as well. Cool. So this is our data frame, which is visible now, correct? Now we will see how to create a line chart. So to create a line chart, we will see how to create a line chart. So to create a line chart, what we are going to do basically is we'll use the chart underscore data is equals to pd.data frame, and inside this particular function we are going to use numpy dot random dot randn, and we are going to take from 20 3 and columns is equals to, we want 3 columns, a comma b comma c. Okay, so now if we want to show this particular line chart, then we will use the component st.line underscore chart, and inside this we will pass our chart underscore data variable. So now we will get to see the line chart there. If you refresh this, okay, so we are getting error, parameters to protocol. I think it's because that we are using Python 3.9. I guess it requires a greater version of Python, I guess. So I will ask to Google. So if we go on to the Stack Overflow, should be listen sadly. In Python greater than equal to 3.9 you can even use, okay, so that's the error, that we are using Python which is exactly 3.9, but we want Python version greater than 3.9. So we will copy this and we'll ask to ChatGPT. To solve this error. So you are likely using an outdated version of the typing module or misaligned dependency tree. Here's how to fix it. So activate your virtual environment. This is already there. Link type extension and JSON schema. This is this. Okay. So we will follow these particular steps. So we will install this thing. Pip install upgrade. Firstly, we will close this and we will install this particular thing. After that, we will use this command. Okay, So now if we go here and if we do let's say, let me clear this console. Oh. Okay, so now if we do streamlit run app.py, now we will see. Okay, so now you are able to see this particular chart here. So this is a line chart which we just created. It is this simple. You just have to use the components which are already given by Streamlit, and with the help of that you'll create a lot of beautiful things. You'll create a lot of beautiful applications using this particular library only, Streamlit, right? So now we'll see a lot of different things in this as well. So now let's see another example. So for that, what we are going to do here is we'll create a new file inside this. We'll create, let's say, prac.py. So inside this, what we are going to do here is import streamlit as st, then st.title. So we are giving a title of streamlit text input, right? So now we'll create a variable named as name, right? So what we are going to do in this particular variable is we are going to take an input from the user. So to take an input from the user, we are going to use the method st dot text underscore input. With the help of this particular method, you can take an input from the user. So we will ask the user to enter your name here. So now if name, if the name is given by the user, then st dot write. What we are going to write here is we'll write hello name. Okay, so now we'll run this file. Streamlit run prac.py. Enter your name here. So this is our input box, and if I write Kadam here, then hello Kadam is what I'm getting, right? So this is how you can take an input from the user with the help of Streamlit component. So now we will see how to create a slider. So we'll see how to create a slider. So to create a slider, we will use the class, we will use the function slider only. So let's say if we are taking the variable age, if you are taking creating a slider, so age is equals to st dot slider. Now inside a slider we'll ask select your age, right? So after this, if I hover on this particular slider, you'll able to see here is this particular slider function takes multiple parameters. So it will take a label, it will take a minimum value and the maximum value as well. So to take the minimum and the maximum value, what we are going to do here is we will give the minimum value as 0, we will give the maximum value as 100, and we will give the value as 25. Okay, so 25, so basically 25 is the value, slider number value, right? So here we are taking 25. So now what we are going to do here is st dot write, and inside this your age is age. Now we'll test it out. Okay, so here you can select age. In this way we can create a beautiful slider in Streamlit. So see here, your age is 79, your age is 38, your age is 75, your age is 100. So this is how we can build slider in Streamlit using Streamlit functions, right? So now let's say we will see how to create a checkbox. How to create a checkbox. So to create a checkbox, first we will give options. So we'll create a variable named as options, and inside these options we will be giving a different kind of options. So let's say Python, C++, Java, JavaScript, right? So now if I create a choice variable, and inside this choice variable, what I'm going to do here is st dot select box. I'm going to use this particular function, select box. Now I'll add here a text as choose your favorite language. Choose your favorite language. And if you see here, inside this particular select box, you will give your label here, and then you can give options here as well. So I'm giving the options as our options, which we already created. So now we will add this st dot right. Your selected choice is choice. Now we'll run this. Okay, so from here you can select your favorite language. So mine is, let's say, JavaScript. So your selected choice is JavaScript. Now we will write data frames, right? So to write data frames, what we are going to do here is import pandas. So we are already I didn't imported the panda here, so I'll import pandas as pd, right? So now we will see here writing data frames. So to write data frames, we are creating a variable named as data, and inside this particular variable I am creating a data set. So in this data set, what I am taking is name. So in names, let's say I am taking different names. For example, Om, Aman, Manthan, Rohit, Saga. Let's say I'm taking this particular data here, okay, and I'm taking I'm taking age as well. So for example, I'm taking age as 22, 30, 24, let's say 25, and 30. I'll take 35. Okay, so now we'll mention city here. City. So cities are, let's say, Pune, Bangalore. Spelling is wrong, I think, but it's okay. Mumbai, Hyderabad. I don't know what's the spelling of Hyderabad. I think it is correct. And let's say Nasik. So these are the cities. Now we'll write the data frames. So df is equals to pd dot data frame, and inside this data frame we will pass our data, right? So now st dot write, and we will write df. Okay, so here we are able to see this particular data frame now. Cool. So this is it. And if you want to see more about the Streamlit, if you want to explore this particular library, then you can go to Streamlit website, and onto this website you can go under the component sections, and here you will see a lot of components, and you can use any of the component from here. There are a lot of options. You can use charts, you can create different type of charts, you can create e-charts, plots, plot events. So you will be able to see like how to use it. Just to go to their GitHub page, and you will be able to see like how to create the components into the Streamlit. So that's it. That's what I want to show you, that with the help of Streamlit we can create a beautiful applications without not even knowing HTML, CSS, or any kind of framework thing. You just need to you just have to use this particular Streamlit components, and you will be easily able to make a beautiful backend applications or the front end applications as well, just by using the Streamlit components. So that's it. In the next video, from the next video, this was just the introduction of Streamlit, like how to use Streamlit and all. This is not a part of machine learning course, or this is not a part of if you are not getting anything from this particular video tutorial, then uh, don't worry. This is not a part of our machine learning course, right? So from the next video we will see what is the NLP, what is the natural language processing, and what is NLP in machine learning. We will see basically the types of the types of problem which we solve inside the machine learning, like the supervised type and the unsupervised type, and we will see the classification into that. We will see a lot of models, like how to use the models, how to build a model, and we will see everything in detail. And in the upcoming videos we will build a lot of heavy applications, we will build a lot of complex application using mathematics. Also what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to take a real data, like the real data of stocks and all, and we will do a processing on that particular data. We will do the tokenization of that particular data, or for the generative AI kind of projects, we will take some speech data, or we will take some anything which is the random data. And for the machine learning kind of things, like which we are going to do in the prediction, like we will see how to predict, how to make a model which will predict. In that cases, we will take data like related to the stock market and all. So that is it. From the next video we will see about the natural language processing, and we will see the different kind of methods which we use for the tokenization and all. So we will see step by step, we will learn a lot in this particular video series, right? So yeah, that's it from my side. I'll see you in the next video.